Hey everyone, the Polar Grit X2 is the latest rugged outdoor smartwatch from Polar, developed with endurance athletes, trail runners, and adventure seekers in mind. Released just a year after the Grit X Pro, this new model refines and expands on what worked in its predecessor, bringing more advanced navigation tools, improved health tracking, and a streamlined interface tailored for extended time off the grid. At the center of the Grit X2 is a 1.28-inch AMOLED touchscreen with a crisp resolution of 416 by 416 pixels. The display is vibrant, sharp, and remains legible in bright sunlight thanks to its adaptive ambient light sensor. Its always-on capability enhances usability during workouts or while navigating trails. And the sapphire glass covering adds a welcome layer of durability for those pushing the watch through rough environments. One of the standout upgrades on the Grit X2 is its enhanced navigation and mapping system. It supports all major satellite constellations, including GPS, and it now features dual-frequency GPS for improved accuracy in dense forests or mountainous terrain. With 32 gigabytes of onboard storage, users can preload offline maps, and thanks to Komoot integration, the watch's new Elixir biosensing platform is another major leap forward. It enables a broad range of biometric tracking, including ECG measurements, SpO2 monitoring, skin temperature readings, and Polar's fourth-generation optical heart rate sensor. These features are especially valuable for tracking physiological strain and acclimatization during long hikes or endurance training at altitude. Powering the Grit X2 is a 310 mAh battery that supports multiple use profiles. For those going hard, it can last up to 30 hours in high-performance training mode, extend to 90 hours in eco mode, and stretch up to 7 days with typical smartwatch functionality. Beyond the hardware, the Grit X2 is fully loaded with Polar's software suite tailored for fitness, recovery, and health monitoring. This includes FitSpark, which offers personalized training suggestions based on current readiness, Recovery Pro to gauge recovery status, and FuelWise, which reminds athletes to eat and hydrate during longer sessions. Running power from the wrist provides data-driven pacing without the need for external accessories. Sleep tracking is also robust, with features like Sleep Plus Stages, SleepWise, and Nightly Recharge, helping users understand both quantity and quality of rest. On the smartwatch side, it offers essentials like music controls, smartphone notifications, and Bluetooth 5.1 connectivity for pairing with phones and external sensors. The Polar Grit X2 is available in two distinct styles, night black and brown copper, and is priced at €479. Overall, the Polar Grit X2 represents a meaningful evolution of the Grit X series. It refines navigation and health tracking in a tough, stylish package that feels purpose-built for those who demand reliability and performance deep in the wild. Whether you're training for an ultramarathon or navigating unfamiliar backcountry trails, the Grit X2 is designed to be a dependable companion. Thanks for watching. What do you think about this video? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.